Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to install Blink Home Monitor app on Android phone and guide you through each step to get started with home monitoring in just a few minutes. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store app. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account because you'll need it to download and install any app from the store. Step 2. In the Play Store menu, go to the search bar located at the very top of the screen. Tap on it, then type the name Blink Home Monitor app carefully and press the search icon on your keyboard to begin the search. Step 3. After searching, you'll see a list of apps related to the name you entered. Carefully scroll through and locate the official Blink Home Monitor app from the search results. Once you've found it, tap on the app name, then hit the green Install button. Wait patiently as the app begins downloading and installing to your phone. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, you can either tap Open directly from the Play Store screen or go back to your home screen or app drawer and look for the Blink Home Monitor app icon there. Tap on it to launch the app and begin setting it up for your home monitoring needs. And that's it. You've now successfully installed the Blink Home Monitor app on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.